Principles for negotiation and making decisions. Communication. Effective communication is key to negotiation and decision making. Listen actively to understand the other party's perspective and clearly communicate your own. Collaboration. Seek win-win solutions where both parties benefit. Collaborate with the other party to find common ground and reach mutually satisfactory outcomes. Flexibility. Be open to compromise and flexible in your approach. Adapt your strategies and proposals based on new information and changing circumstances. Preparation. Do your research and preparation beforehand. Understand your goals, priorities, and alternatives, as well as those of the other party. Empathy. Put yourself in the other party's shoes and consider their needs, concerns, and constraints. Showing empathy can build trust and rapport, facilitating negotiation and decision-making. Creativity. Think outside the box and explore alternative solutions. Be creative in generating options that address both parties' interests and objectives. Transparency. Be honest and transparent in your communication. Clearly communicate your interests, preferences, and constraints to foster trust and facilitate negotiation. Patience. Negotiation and decision-making processes may take time. Be patient and persistent, and avoid rushing to conclusions or making impulsive decisions. Language for negotiation and making decisions. Making offers, I propose. Seeking clarification, could you clarify? Expressing preferences, I would prefer. Suggesting alternatives, what if we? Agreeing, that sounds reasonable. Disagreeing diplomatically, I understand your point, but I see it differently. Compromising, how about if we meet halfway? Clarifying expectations, let's make sure we're on the same page about expressing interest. I'm interested in exploring this further. Summarizing agreements. So, if I understand correctly, we've agreed to, by adhering to these principles and using effective negotiation language, individuals can navigate discussions, negotiate effectively, and make informed decisions that satisfy their interests and objectives while maintaining positive relationships with others.